नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो। Myself, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVWU. Today topic is psychotic bacilli medicine. It is a bowel nosode medicine, psychotic co. This organism is not of bacillary form but is a non-lactose fermenting coccus found in the intestinal tract. The detail of this organism and the manner in which it was identified is to be found in the original work published in the British Homeopathic Journal or April 1933. The keynote for the nosode psychotic is irritability, and this has special reference to mucus and synovial membrane, mentals, nervous irritability, temporary fear of dark, of being left alone, twitching of facial muscles, blinking of eyelids, head, irritation of meninges, subacute or chronic headache from infection of sinus, persistent headache, particularly in a child, which may be the prodromal sign of a tubercular meningitis, sweating of head at night, profuse digestive system, chronic irritation of the whole alimentary tract, catarrhal conditions, acute or chronic gastroenteritis in the child, loose offensive stool, excoriating urgent call to stool as soon as rising out of bed, constipation, unusual diarrhea common, nausea or sickness after eating eggs, respiratory, acute, subacute, chronic bronchial catarrh, catarrh of mucous membrane of nose, throat, irritable cough at night 2 a.m., circulation anemia and hydramia, usually in the adult. The psychotic patient is always anemic looking, never carries much color in the face, neuromuscular system, general rheumatic fibrositis aggravated from dampness, alter a period of rest, fit painful when walking as if walking on loose cobblestone, pain in metatarsal bones, physicality fit at night in bed, skin sallow complexion, oily skin, vesicular or varicella type of eruption on face or body after administration of psychotic to children, a rash varicella in type resembling and often mistaken for chickenpox may appear, warts on mucocutaneous surfaces, genitourinary system. Psychotic has marked action of the whole of genitourinary tract, causing irritation of mucous membrane from the kidney to the urethral tract, albuminuria, pielitis, cystitis, urethritis, vulvovaginitis, balanitis, female pain in left ovary at menstrual period, tick ovaries, tubal infection, or profuse leukorrhea. It will be evident that this coccal organism of the intestinal tract is related morphologically and clinically to the gonococcus. Hahnemann related what the called the psychotic miasm to the gonorrhea, but this disease is only one form of catarrhal infection of the mucous membrane of the urinary tract. These are many other non-gonorrheal organisms associated with the symptom picture of catarrh, and the miasm psychosis may be considered synonym with catarrh. Gonorrhea is an infection of mucous membrane, but catarrhal manifestations are not all due to gonorrheal infection. These are the nosode prepared from the non-lactose fermenting organism of the bowel, which are most generally called for in practice, but there are two other members. which are found occasionally in the stool and which are not well proved and seldom used. This session powered by digital version 2.0 JVW. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.